What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. This one, I want to give you my trick or hack or tactic to increase affiliate sales. Now, so many people ask me, what do you do differently? Because inside my course, inside my mini course, I'm going to show you the mini course in just a second, but inside my courses and even on some videos, I talk about how I convert the amount of visitors that come to my site. My conversion rates are very, very good. And one of the things that I do is I keep myself in front of those people. One of the things you may have noticed if you come and watch me here on my YouTube channel, you may notice I'm publishing videos every single day. Sometimes I do more than one video. And it's because I like to get back in front of people. It's the exact same principle for affiliate marketing, is you need to get back in front of the same person time and time again. Studies have shown that you need to get in front of people about 7 times. Okay, they need 7 trigger points, 7 times to see in your offer before they actually commit. And this is for a lower price offer. If you're selling something for $1,000, you need to get in front of them, 50 times, 100 times before they actually commit. So I'm gonna show you a little trick in just a second. Okay, and I guarantee you this is gonna change the way that you're promoting any type of affiliate offer. Okay, so let's go. So before we get into that trick to increase affiliate sales, I first just want to show you this. You may have seen it. You may have already joined, enrolled in this mini course. If not, go check it out. Click the button. Begin your free mini course. And it's very simple. You sign up. It's absolutely free. I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 through affiliate marketing. One of the things you get is I give you my exact website. And I actually give you 3 different websites over the course of about 10 days. So make sure you keep coming back, checking out the course, because I do drip content. I do drip feed the content. I think new content comes in after 5 days of you inside the course, after 7 days, and I believe at 10 days. So go check it out. But again, I'm going to show you my tricks to increase your affiliate marketing income right now. So let's get started on that. So I put together these couple little diagrams. This is what most people do, okay? And hit the thumbs up button if you have done this before. Is you have your platform right here. This could be YouTube, it could be your website, it could be an email list. Honestly, it could be anything. And you directly link from YouTube straight to the product, the course, the service, your affiliate offer. How many of you have done that? If you've done that, comment down below saying I'm guilty, okay? Because I have done that myself. Honestly, I'm guilty too. I do this all the time as well because it's so simple, it's so easy. And it's like, why would you put in an extra step, right? Well, this is the method that doesn't really work. And the reason why it doesn't work is because there's no added value in between these steps. What works is doing something like this, okay? Have your platform and then you go into teaching or an educating mode. Okay, so I want to explain the difference. You probably notice there's a difference here. Teach is, there's 6 numbers. Educate, 4. Why is that? What's the difference between teaching and educating? Is there a difference? And yes, there's honestly a difference. I think most people don't realize how subtle that difference is. So before I get into talking about the differences and why this little adjustment, why this little shift in my thinking, my mentality, and my content process has actually increased the amount of sales I've been getting from affiliate marketing, the amount of sales I get from some of my courses, the amount of subscribers I get across all platforms. It really changes, okay? It not only changes my mindset, but I believe my mindset transfers on to the person that's consuming my content, such as you guys, the viewers. So let's jump back over to that, and I'm going to show you right now why and explain it to you, because I think most people wouldn't understand this unless I actually explain it 100%. So you got your platform, and let's say you're going to go the teaching method. So, and I've done this before where so if you go check out my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course, go check it out. It's absolutely free. Go check it out. Inside, I'm doing both methods. I'm teaching, but I'm also educating. Now, here's what the teach method kind of entails. So somebody comes in, let's say to my YouTube channel or wherever, and they come in and I'm going to teach them from A to Z exactly how to do something. So let's say I'm going to teach them how to ride a bike. Okay, so I'm going to teach them, they need to understand about balance. They need to understand about, was it propulsion or whatever that is when you pedal. They need to understand about, obviously, gravity, and they need to understand what equipment they can use and how to turn the bike and all this stuff. Okay, I'm going to teach them every single step. Now that's great. And that can work, but it can be very time consuming on your part because you have to take somebody from beginner and teach them every single step. Here's the difference between teaching and educating. If you educate somebody on how to ride a bike correctly, that means they already know the basics. They already know how to ride a bike, but they don't understand how to ride a race bike correctly. What do you do when you're going downhill? How do you ride a bike when you're going uphill? How do you take a turn to be effective? Okay, what equipment, what gear do you need? Not what gear should you have. What gear do you absolutely need? It is a necessity. So when you educate, you're taking somebody from beginner to giving them more information, more value. And when you educate, it doesn't take as long because you don't have to hit those points of this is how you ride a bike. These are the initial steps. This is what you have to do. These are the steps to make sure you do not fall over. You don't have to hit those points because they already know them. Let me give you another example. Let's say somebody's wanting to get more traffic to their website. Now, if you're going to teach somebody how to get traffic to a website, chances are they don't have any clue how to get any traffic. They don't know what SEO is. They don't know what social media is. They don't know how to do paid advertising. Now, if you educate somebody on how to get more traffic, as opposed to teach, what's going to happen is you're going to educate them on these are the ways to do SEO. These are the things that you need to focus on when doing paid advertising on Facebook. These are the things you need to do when you're using influencer shoutouts, and so forth. The reason why I think so many people struggle with affiliate marketing is because they're always focused on, I need to teach them something. That's what I used to do, years ago, and I still do it a little bit because I feel like I don't just want to educate, I want to teach and educate, and that's what I do inside the Affiliate Marketing Monsters mini course. Is I teach you the methods that are working and kind of how I'm doing them, but I'm also educating you on why it works, how it works, and kind of the principles and the mindset behind it. Okay, so again, go check that out if you haven't. But again, I want to show you why. Okay, because I think so many people struggle with the why does this work as opposed to should I do it? They're thinking, oh, well, why does it work? They're trying to understand the principles, the mindset behind it. But honestly, once you just put it into action, you're going to see results. Let me give you another example, okay? One of the things that I've done is probably 8 months ago or so, I did a lot of advertising for a private label. I sell on Amazon FBA. If you don't know that, it's one of the things I do. If you sell on Amazon FBA, hit that thumbs up button, okay? But one of the things I do is that I sell products on Amazon. Okay, private label products that I get from China, and I sell them on Amazon. One of the things I did is I put together a private label webinar or web class on how exactly I find products, how I list them on Amazon, how I promote them, how I sell them, and how I pretty much automate the entire business. Okay, from A to Z. It was like a 4 or 5 video web class, and it took about a week. Okay, after that, there was a bunch of questions that people asked. There was a bunch of issues people had, and so I had to teach them, and that worked. And I got people to come in and opt in and buy my course and all this stuff, and it worked, and I made a decent amount of money. That worked out very well, and it took me on average, to close one person to get one sale. It took me about 18 to 19 days. Okay, so to get one sale took me about 18 to 19 days. When I switched over to the educate platform, instead of teaching, to educate them on why Amazon FBA is better than Shopify dropshipping, why Amazon FBA is better than eBay, how to actually sell on Amazon when you have a full-time 9-to-5 job. Does Amazon FBA work for somebody that is a single mom, or a stay-at-home dad, or lives in a small apartment? So I educated them on the common misconceptions, the common issues people had, and the kind of the mentality people came into this business with, that it requires tens of thousands of dollars. But then I educated them on, no, it doesn't require tens of thousands of dollars. There's people that started with $500, even $1,000, and it just takes them a little bit longer to get to where they want to be. When I switched this way from I went from YouTube and from Facebook ads, and I went the educate route, what ended up happening is my average sale took place in about 11 days. Okay? So I went from 18 to 19 days down to 11 days. Okay, so when you take a full week off of the whole process, you can do more stuff. So let's say I'm doing Amazon FBA, I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing freelancing, I'm doing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, whatever it is. You can teach people more, and that's great. You can get a lot of sales. You can get a lot of people to come in and follow you. But at the same time, if you want a faster sale, the hack that I want to give you is you need to go the educate route. You need to get them to believe that what you have to offer is honestly the best thing out there. And as long as you're putting all your time and effort into this, the email list or the videos or whatever it is, you will start to see there's more results happening from the educate and the belief rather than teaching people. Because just because people learn something, especially if it's free, people don't want to learn when they have nothing invested. Okay, there's no skin in the game. Now when you educate people on that, now you're tying into their mindset, their belief that, oh, that's something that only rich people get that stuff. Only rich people can make money. Only the professional mountain bikers get to afford those bikes or get a ride on those trails. Okay, so you need to educate people on the right way to think. Get their mindset right, because once their mindset's right, you will be able to close a lot faster, and you'll be able to have a higher conversion rate as well. So again, I just wanted to show you this little trick. It's not a huge trick. It's not a huge difference, but it's a very subtle difference. But when you make that change, when you make that switch over from teaching to educating, what happens is it shortens the sales process. Okay? It's just like if you go into McDonald's and they ask you, or you go up to their drive-thru, whatever, they say, hey, you want to try our new, Big Mac meal or something? I don't know. I don't go to McDonald's that much, but it's, hey, you want to try the new Big Mac meal, our new special or whatever? And people are like, yeah, I want to try it. That is their way of, that's kind of their process. Instead of teaching you and you read through the menu, no. Oh, that looks good. They just tell you, hey, would you like this? So they shorten up the process because they know if they can get more people into their door, buy more stuff faster, they're going to be able to make more money. Okay, so that's pretty much the point. And that's the same thing with Walmart. Is Walmart tries to put the most important things out at the front of the store, in the certain spots in the store, and they know where people are looking. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the exact same principle. So instead of teaching people how this works or how to do this, how to do that, educate them on why they need this, why this will benefit them, why this is better than that. Okay, so again, that simple mindset shift, that simple change will completely change the conversion rates that you get inside your affiliate marketing. Whatever it is, whatever you're promoting, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's a product, a course, a service, some software. It's the exact same thing, exact same principle. You just have to figure out how can you educate them instead of teaching them. Again, those are very similar. It's a very fine line. But once you understand how to do that, you're going to see your conversion rates go up, your income goes up, your smile is always there. Okay, you're not frowning anymore. You wake up happy every single day because now you know it's working. Okay, again, I know this is a very small change, but this little change has made a big difference. Okay, just in one of my courses, okay, just in one of my affiliate links, my affiliate email list, one of the ones that I'm promoting right now, just that little change, I'm promoting my affiliate course. Okay, just that little change going from teaching to educating has increased my conversion rates by 300%. Okay, think about that, 300%. Okay, it's a little more. That's like 303, 302, something like that, but 300% just from this one change. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Help you out any way that I can. But like I said, go check out my Affiliate Marketing Monsters mini course. Again, it's absolutely free. Go check it out. See if you like it. Go try those things. Okay. If you have questions along the way, send me an email or message me over on Facebook, and I'll help you out there as well. So again, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.